Hi guys, Archie Luxury channel, and today I want to do an unboxing. And I want to show you one of the hottest watches on the market at the moment. This is one of the hot babies. So a very good friend of mine has lent me this stunner. What is it? What is this hot watch that I'm going to be showing you? I'm going to be doing an unboxing. It's a Rolex Batman GMT. So I thought this would be perfect to present on the channel. So let's have a look. This is one of the hottest watches on the Rolex scene. Let's take her out. So we've got a cardboard box, and then we've got an inner box. So let's take the watch out. So this is affectionately known as the outer. That's the outer box, and it basically serves to protect the inner box. The inner box itself, here we go. This is what you get when you buy a Rolex Submariner GMT. Let's take a look here. What do we have? Well, we have this cloth. Smells like expensive leather. And then we've got our beautiful. This is the Rolex Batman. Batman. There we go. That's the Batman. And it's quite interesting. This tray comes out, yep, there we go. This is what the Batman looks like. Inside this box itself, there, what do we have? Well, we've got a few things here. This is the booklet, this booklet basically tells you how to set. This is the booklet itself there. The Rolex Oyster Perpetual GMT Master 2. So this is the booklet that basically tells you how great your watch is and how to set it and use it. The watch itself there, it also, so let's just have a look at this here. This is the box. I've removed the tray. So this goes nicely in the bottom section there. Let's have a look here. What else do you get? Well, you get a Rolex dongle, the dongle, which yep, it just basically, it's a Rolex dongle, guys. It's a dongle which chronometer, it just certifies the Swiss, it's the hang tag there, which certifies the Swiss chronometer rating, not chronograph, chronometer. And it says Rolex on the other side there. It's got a hologram on it. This user himself has kept, this is the plastic cover for the Batman. This is the plastic insert which protects it when it's in transit there. This piece here just fits back into the box. Sort of fits into the box. Then at the top there, we've got a few things here. Let's just pull this out. What have we got in here? And we've got some documents here. This little pouch, this wallet, this here gives us our, got a few things here. This is our, what is it? This is our list. The service, what the hell does it list? It basically lists, what does this list? I don't understand. What is this here? This is the manual de guarantee. Okay, manual de guarantee. Yep, so that just tells you the manual, the guarantee sort of paperwork there. This is a card here, which relates to the Australian market, a legal thing saying about warranty. So it's an Australian legal just stating consumer law in Australia. Consumer law in Australia, because this was an Australian sold piece. And then on the other side here we have got, this is the warranty. This is like the papers. This is what it is. This is the papers. It's like a credit card, but it's basically got the model number, serial number. This is what it looks like. Now on the back of this here, it tells you who the dealer who sold it originally was, and it's also got the date. So this was sold November 2013. 2013. There we go, November. So roughly 4 years old. And it's kind of nice how this fits in, and you can see the model and serial number when it's in its pouch, so that you can match up the papers for the, if you've got multiple Rolex, plural of Rolexes. So that's what you have with your watch there. And let's have a look here. We'll get back into the swing of things. The swing of things. There we go. That's better. Okay. So now the actual watch itself there, it sits on a cushion, and beautiful piece here. Here we go. We have the Rolex GMT Batman. This is the Batman. The Batman. No. That's the Batman. So you can see it's got the revised bracelet there, the new, and it's quite a impressive little baby there. Very impressive baby. So yes, this is the Rolex Batman. This is an unboxing for the channel, guys. So that is what a Batman. That's what a Batman unboxing looks like. Archie Luxury channel. Hi guys, Archie Luxury channel, Paul Pluta channel, and my good friend Tanzillan answering super chats. It's not about the money. I feel like I'm doing my passion. Tanzillan, simply the best. And he's got another one for you here. How's this? It's not about the money. It's my passion. Shitling on time. Simply the best. Now guys, I gotta tell you, I struggle to survive full-time on YouTube. Please look in the description below for 10 ways you can keep me full-time on YouTube. Guys, I really need your help. Please consider getting a paid video review. I'll do a review on any watch, any question you want. Guys, you can sponsor me on Patreon. You can sponsor me for as little as $1 a month. $1 a month, and that just keeps me going on full-time on YouTube. Guys, you could also, I do phone calls. You can talk to me for an hour on the phone, Skype or WhatsApp, for $50 US. Guys, I really do need your help to stay full-time. Men cannot survive on Google Ads alone. Please help me. Please help me stay full-time on YouTube. And guys, don't forget that it's not about the money. It's my passion. Shitling on time. Simply the best. Tanzillan, thank you. That's a sponsored bit from Tanzillan. I can do that for $150 a month if you email me directly. Look below for my email address, guys.
Okay.